So let's talk about rolling today, like the car wheel. So this is a disc. Imagine it to be a car wheel. The car goes forward because the wheel rolls on this ground. So if v is the linear speed of the center of mass of the wheel and omega is the angular speed, then they are related as v is equal to r omega. That is a rolling condition. Now, what would happen if the left tire of a car suddenly bursts? Will it go straight? Well, normally, imagine that this is a axle of a car, this is the left wheel, the right wheel. Normally, it would go like this, rolling straight. But if the left one bursts, then the radius suddenly becomes lesser than what it was. V is equal to r omega is no longer satisfied. Therefore, V is greater than r omega, and that is forward slipping. In forward slipping, friction acts backwards. So on this one, the friction will act backward, causing a torque that will make it rotate like this. And that you can visualize. This is a left wheel which has become smaller in diameter. The right wheel, it can't go straight. Right? See here. So that is the concept in rolling, and rotational motion is one of the most complex topics in mechanics. Guys, physics is about concepts. It is not about mugging up a lot of formulae or having a formula sheet or so-called tips and tricks, etc. That may take you this far but not too far, because in life you need concepts. You don't need to mug up formulae. In my courses on YouTube, which are totally free, of course, the central focus is to build your concepts. That is what will take you to success, and the time to start is right now. I must tell you that I was talking to one of the directors of an IIT, and he mentioned that these days a lot of people come from so-called coaching factories with great ranks in the JEE Advanced, but in the IIT system they struggle. Why do they struggle? Because they have not invested their time to build strong concepts. So come to my channel, build strong concepts that will take you to success in life. I teach you for life, not just for an exam. Of course, my students have done very well in exams like the JEE Advanced, and you can see those testimonials. There are separate videos on that. But the main thing is concepts. So, what are you waiting for?